insurance scheme, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Today, we are joined by someone who doesn't just understand agribusiness, but he is helping to shape its future also. Shri Azad Mishra, Head of Agribusiness at HDFC ERGO General Insurance. He brings to the table deep expertise, ground-level experience, and a vision for how insurance can empower our farmers like never before. In this episode, we'll unpack the evolving role of technology, trust, and timely support in agri-insurance. How do we move from paperwork to protection, from policy to real-time relief? Shri Mishra shares not just answers, but a roadmap. If you're curious about how PMFBY is changing lives or how insurance is becoming a safety net in the face of uncertainty, this conversation is one you don't want to miss.
Welcome to our podcast, Expert Says. Welcome to our show, Mr. Azad. So first thing first, I would like to ask how HDFC ERGO as a private insurance company has been contributing to farmers' awareness and making sure that they benefit from schemes like crop insurance of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana.
First of all, I would like to thank you. It's my privilege to be part of this podcast initiative by Government of India. Agriculture sector in India has seen robust growth, averaging almost 5% from FY 2017 to 2023, despite so many challenges. Agriculture risk management is critical to address the issues pertaining to the risk associated with farming community. The Government of India's intervention through PMFBY plays a pivotal role to deal with those issues. As one of the key participants to the PMFBY ecosystem, HDFC ERGO General Insurance, which is one of the leading private general insurer, has made significant contribution to increase the scheme outreach and to enhance the impact, and also to ensure that the benefits are reaching to the grassroots level. We started our journey 15 years ago when we started onboarding rural insurance agents. In last few years, we have steadily built in one of the most robust rural and agri-insurance ecosystem in the country. From piloting under weather-based crop insurance scheme in 2011 to implementation of PMFBY since its inception in 2016, we have tried our level best to provide insurance to the last mile. We have inculcated some of the deep-rooted values of HDFC Group and have got a very structured and strategic approach to drive adoption. We have expanded the information, education and communication strategies, which is not only covering the farmers, but also the broader rural ecosystem via launching our campaigns in schools, in panchayats, so that the entire rural population will have a better understanding about the insurance products. We have engaged with Krishi Vigyan Kendras, farmer producer organizations, NGOs to bridge the knowledge gap among farmers and build trust in the scheme. We have implemented a scheme in almost 10 states, covering almost 9 million farmers' applications. We have shared localized content of FAB, which stands for features, advantages and benefits of crop insurance in local languages like Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Assamese, Odia, via WhatsApp, SMS, posters, banners, pamphlets, and so that farmers can understand the scheme feature in their own local language. 3 years back, we have launched Pihu chatbot, which is one of the first rural insurance chatbot in the industry. It assists farmers in getting information pertaining to the policy scheme. Farmers can check the claim status. Farmers can do claim registration. Farmers can give intimation via Pihu chatbot. And some additional features are also there, like weather advisories can be provided through that. And most importantly, this service is available in 12 local languages.
That's wonderful.
And keeping in mind the regulator's initiative on the state insurance plan, wherein each insurance company has become a lead insurer in a particular state to create awareness among rural customers about insurance. So we are lead insurer in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, where we have done a lot of health camps, village connect programs to promote the government lead scheme, including PMFBY. One more thing what we have tried out is that we are trying to create awareness at a very early stages. We have conducted insurance quiz involving school children, covered around more than 550 schools in Tamil Nadu. The advantage is, the students are also aware about insurance, and obviously the word of mouth will spread to parents also.
Of course.
So these are some of the activities that we have done to create awareness among farmers, or you can say the broader rural community.
That's wonderful to know that you have been working so insightful and so deeply in IC or in public awareness, especially farmer awareness. It's great to know. Talking about remote areas, I'm sure there must be some challenges working there. So can you specify what kind of challenges you face, and recent technological development in the scheme, has it been benefit in those aspects?
Yeah, the major challenges that we face is low awareness and understanding of scheme features among farmers.
Okay.
Then the complexity of enrollment process, specifically in remote areas. And of course, accessibility to small and marginal farmers. To overcome such challenges, we are leveraging the available technology with us. We are also trying to innovate overall process that is being designed to enroll farmers. Okay. We have tried out a multi-pronged approach, wherein we have developed a deep institutional partnership with banks, MFIs, CSCs. Also, we have tried out with brokers. We have rural insurance agents, which means farmer now have multiple enrollment points. Okay. Where they can get enrolled. Also, these initiatives are backed by digital innovation. Satellite imagery is also helping a lot. We have done drone-based damage assessment, which help us in real-time crop loss assessment. We have we are conducting crop cutting experiments, which are geo-stamped, so that there will not be a delay in crop yield estimation. In addition to that, we have tried out a community outreach program. We have mobile vans reaching out to the cutoff areas and helping us to do a real-time enrollment. So broadly, by blending human engagement with cutting-edge technology, we are trying to come up with one of the most resilient delivery model under PMFBY.
That's wonderful to know that so many technological development has helped in farmers' awareness, especially in rural areas. As a private insurance company, what kind of strategies you go for farmers' engagement and all these things, especially in current time where there is challenges? So you only talked about so many challenges in farmer awareness, especially in rural areas.
So in addition to the mass marketing activities that we are doing, we are also banking upon community-based social marketing.
Okay.
So right at the start of the season, we start with Fasal Bima Pathshala, a farmers meeting, bankers workshops. Last year, we have conducted more than 5,000 Village Connect programs, where large number of farmers have participated, where we were trying to create awareness about the scheme features and benefits. We have also supported the government initiative of Meri Policy Mere Haath. It's a program where our field staff is delivering the acknowledgement letter, having the policy information to farmers directly. So it's basically a door-to-door program. This program not only bring transparency, but also reinforce the trust of farmers in the scheme. So farmers can feel that they are not just enrolled, they are also protected.
Of course.
And in addition to that, farmer testimonials are of great help. Similarly, we are also trying out various activities in schools and panchayats. Last year, we had launched one alphabet book designed for students, kids, and also covering some of the features of PMFBY. So these are some of the initiatives that we have taken. And lastly, we know that one size will not fit for all, because we are implementing the scheme in various states, districts, and blocks. So we have designed specially curated marketing campaign, keeping in mind local context, whether it is a WhatsApp forward in Chhattisgarh or a community radio message in Jharkhand.
It's so great to know that HDFC is working in such a diverse way to reach different aspects and different kind of people throughout the country. Mr. Azad, timely claim settlement has been a concern of all farmers enrolled in the PMFBY. So, how has recent technological advancements and development has helped in making this claim process smoother and more transparent to the farmers?
See, we have used an integrated technology for faster claim settlement to make it more accurate and transparent. Just for the example, now for last 2 years, the entire claim settlement is happening through National Crop Insurance Portal. So technically, National Crop Insurance Portal has become a single source of truth, where right from enrollment, settlement is also happening through the portal. Secondly, our field staff are in touch with local authorities for faster claim settlement and claim estimation. In addition to that, we are sharing feedbacks and testimonial of farmers, which definitely brings a sort of credibility and motivation among farming community. Then we have started using technology extensively, specifically for claim estimation. During various localized survey or where we don't have much of time, we are also using drone-based loss assessment, which gives us a picture on what is the extent of losses in a very short span of time. We are doing geotagged crop cutting experiments through mobile applications, which is saving the time for recording of yield estimation, and ultimately it will save the time from claim finalization. So all this innovation pertaining to satellite data or remote sensing data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, all these innovations are integrated into the PMFBY ecosystem to make the claim process faster. Lastly, all the claim amount is directly going to the farmer's account, which again add one more layer of trust and credibility, which is necessary for the sustainability of the PMFBY implementation.
That's wonderful to know that so many things are going on and how technology is actually helping our farmers, especially in crop insurance. Lastly, how would you like to see the role of insurance company in developing India's agricultural landscape and its future?
Um, the future of the scheme depends upon the collaboration between all stakeholders, which includes government, regulator, insurance company, technological implementation partner, and also channel partners, which includes banks, brokers, agents, CSE, and other rural e-kiosk model. With continuing support and alignment, we do expect there will be increased PMFBY outreach, and also the impact is going to get better.
Yeah.
So, with consistent policy support and technological innovations, we can genuinely make PMFBY as a farmer-first scheme, and we can say that "Har Kisan Bima Se Surakshit" is not just a slogan, but it's a nationwide reality.
Of course. It was a wonderful conversation we had with you, Mr. Azad, and it was so great to know that HDFC ERGO is working so minutely with farmers and making sure that all farmers get benefit of crop insurance. Thank you for joining us on today's podcast. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Isha, for taking this initiative. I'm sure all these initiatives and action points that has been discussed in various forums will help the scheme to become more sustainable and ultimately will benefit the farming community.
Of course, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.